How can you log in to your Photoleap application? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log in to your application, it is pretty similar to what you did while creating the account. You just simply have to open the Photoleap application at very first, and after opening the Photoleap you will get to see this settings icon into the top left corner. Simply tap there and then you are gonna see your login option. Simply tap to login, and after that you can choose between any of these three options. Now, in order to log in, you just simply have to select which is suitable for you. I'm selecting Google because that's the most easiest option for me right now, but you can choose any of these. And after selecting any of those options, you have to select your account which was connected with Photoleap. Now, I'm selecting my account in here, and after selecting either of your email, Facebook or Google account, in one tap your account will be logged in successfully. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.